Bullish Dogecoin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 38 cents and 73 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Doge could reach 30 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is 6 cents. Dogecoin presentation. Programming designers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer concocted the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke because of the then widespread cryptographic money hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. In spite of being snide, certain individuals view it as a reasonable monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's seal and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its internet-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It currently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the head association. If it's not too much trouble, note that the expectations recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation exhortation. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin speculations. Anyway, how about we jump into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Distributed, open-source digital currency Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective cash and an unexpected image coin. A delineation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. In spite of the fact that it was at first considered as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in fame. At the point when the digital currency bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On internet-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Furthermore, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the all-out number of coins that might be given, cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin are deflationary. However, Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into flow as mining rewards is divided at regular intervals. And until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. For Dogecoin, there are various offers. The way that it isn't covered makes the offer increment. The benefits of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining biological system. There is currently no rush toward an affirmed hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Accordingly, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing biological system extension. In spite of the fact that its origin was set apart by craftsmen and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely utilitarian money that can be utilized for ordinary consumption. Dogecoin is right now worth 8 cents USD. Doge has moved 5.58% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,361,617,659. Dogecoin is right now positioned 8 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $12,780,341,751 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Dogecoin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2023 Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Doge cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 12 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 12 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 10 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Dogecoin Doge cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 21 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Doge general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 17 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 19 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025 in the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 30 cents and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 27 cents and a low of 25 cents in 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Dogecoin effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 38 cents, with a base cost of 34 cents and a typical cost of 36 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 44 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 43 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Doge has a most extreme value worth of 47 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 53 cents. On the off chance that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 56 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 51 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 60 cents and a yearly cost close above 64 cents in 2029. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. By 2030, Dogecoin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 69 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 73 cents, averaging out at 70 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Doge cost in 2031 is projected to be 84 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 81 cents. And, as one of the first elective monetary standards, Dogecoin was created as a speedy and prompt installment framework in light of the Litecoin blockchain engineering. The undertaking's objective was to construct areas of strength for a base for an engaging and easy-to-understand Litecoin elective. When Dogecoin started, the possibility of digital currencies had proactively acquired boundless acknowledgement, with Bitcoin arriving at new highs on the lookout. Thus, the Dogecoin people group immediately shaped to advance and address Dogecoin, which was at first showcased as an image coin. Doge, a notable and popular image, is portrayed in the Shiba Inu K9 variety's prestigious logo for Dogecoin. Notwithstanding all chances, Doge has ascended to the highest point of the digital currency market, generally due to virtual entertainment publicity and its openness to a large number of worldwide